Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to update Windows 10 to Windows 11. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So unfortunately in 2025 October, Windows 10 came to an end. So now to update Windows 10 to Windows 11, you can either use Windows Update in settings or use Windows 11 Installation Assistant. First, ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirement for Windows 11, which will also be verified using the PC Health Checkup app. So if compatible, you can also check for updates in settings, update security, Windows Update, and select check for updates. Now, if Windows 11 is available, you can simply download and install it directly. Alternatively, download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant from Microsoft and follow the on-screen prompts. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.